Guys, I hope you are working. We are working out here, okay? We are working. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Malik Mufasa channel. I think this is episode number 58. Well, it doesn't matter because we're getting this money like we always do, right? So today, we're going to talk about how to set up your Facebook pixel. All right, guys, let's get this video to 100 likes. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get all the updates on all the videos when I release them. Now let's get straight into the video. All right, guys, so I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to install your Facebook pixel, okay? So what exactly is a Facebook pixel? Okay, so a Facebook pixel is what you put on your site so that you can get data and collect data from your audience. Okay, so whenever a person views your content, when a person adds the cart, initiate, checkout, search, purchase, all of that, right? And then you can target those events so that Facebook can grab all the right people and solve the right puzzle so that you don't have to be spending blindly on ads and all that stuff. So Facebook pixel is so important, especially when you're starting off with Instagram influencers, which I recommend that you start off so you can build data and then you can start using your Facebook pixel to your advantage. So as you can see, this is the beat season store. Keep in mind, I don't focus on this store. This is just for YouTube so that you guys can learn and do all that stuff. It's just documenting whatever this store does. But I have 3 other stores that I use my Facebook pixel on. And you can see all the events when you scroll down here. So you have your page view, your view content, your add to cards, your ad payment info, even your purchase. So as you can see, we have a couple of purchases just from running some Facebook ads and probably testing some products or whatever. But we had about 37 add to carts and 800 view content. So I mean, it's not bad. So you can really study your data and see what's really going on in the back end of your store. And that's why a Facebook pixel is so important. Later in the future, you can actually target those customers and run maybe a retargeting ad for add to cart people and not for the purchases. So maybe if you want to run an ad to purchase, you can do a upsell to them, or we can say that thank you for purchasing our product, maybe you want to purchase this. So it's a lot of different key factors that you can do with Facebook pixels. So I teach all of this in my course. I actually took a class on Facebook ads and stuff. So, the course is really going to be revamped on the Facebook section. And if you're interested, make sure you get in before the price rise, because this is going to be some fire content with Facebook ads. And so because remember, you want to start off with Instagram influencers, and once you get to Instagram influencers and you transfer to Facebook ads, that's when you start scaling. Okay, so it's gonna be crazy. All right, so but in today's example, we're actually going to be talking about how to install your Facebook pixel so you can get started with all these events down here. Okay, also guys, you can actually do a lot more things with the Facebook pixel. So you have custom audiences and custom conversions. So a lot of people are wondering, what the heck is a lookalike audience? What the heck is a custom conversion? Well, you can actually use your pixel, and let's say we want to make a lookalike audiences for all the people that actually purchased on our store. So let's say we have 100 people that purchased, and we can actually make a lookalike audience in Facebook so that Facebook can make the exact features of those purchases. Okay, and then I can run an ad with the lookalike audiences and then send my ad to those people. So it's very powerful. Okay, and also with custom conversions, you can actually create different conversions and look at your data and see what's actually working for your store. So it's very powerful. Facebook pixel, if you don't have a Facebook pixel on your site, you are wasting your time. Okay, you are not serious. You're not in the ball game with this drop shipping, Shopify, all this e-commerce stuff. You really need to have your Facebook pixel on your site. Okay, it's that simple, guys. So how do you install your Facebook pixel? Well, once you go and make a new Facebook ads manager or whatever, your business manager, right, then you're gonna come down to pixels. Okay, so you're gonna go to pixels, and then it's gonna take you to this page. And then if you have not installed your Facebook pixel, it's gonna say create your pixel down here. It's gonna take you to the same page, but in this example, I'm just gonna click setup, and it's gonna take you to this page. It's gonna say install your pixel code. Okay, so what you want to do is actually integrate within Shopify. So it gives you a manual option, or you can do an email to a developer or whatever. But the easiest option is to install on your Shopify store. So you click Shopify, then this button is going to come up. It's so easy. What we're going to do is actually go to our Shopify store. So then you're going to go into your Shopify store and go to online store and scroll down to preferences. Okay, you just click preferences. It's going to take you to this section right here. So as you can see, I have my Google Analytics set up, and then I have my Facebook pixel. Okay, so what you need to do is actually, it's going to be blank for you. So all you have to do is actually get the code pixel ID from the Facebook manager. It's either going to be right here, or you can actually get it from right here. Okay, so you can copy that, just copy it, and you just paste it in here. Okay, so once you paste it, then it's gonna you just hit save, and then your Facebook pixel is installed. All right, so now what you need to do is actually go on your site and register an event. So you can actually click this. You can go on your Shopify store, and let's just click a product. So as you can see, we have our pixel helper up here. What you need, before you do anything, make sure you have your Facebook pixel helper installed. Okay, this is a Google Chrome extension, so you can actually see that, you know, what's really going on and if your pixel is actually working correctly. Okay, so make sure you go to the extension. All you have to do is just click this three dots, go to more tools, then extension, and then you could just search it. You can actually search it up here, and all you have to do is just say Facebook pixel. Okay, once you click Facebook pixel, then it's going to be the first one, Facebook pixel helper. You just download it, and then you can actually go to your Shopify store, and then you can have your events and see what's really happening and, you know, register it. Okay, so you just click add to cart one time, and you go back to your Facebook manager pixel, then you refresh it, and it should register the event, and your pixel should be ready to go. Okay, so it's simple, it's easy, you know, it's not that hard, it's not that complicated. Just do, if you have not installed your Facebook pixel, go ahead and do that right now. Okay, do it right now, and you know, you can start running ads and, you know, studying your analytics and, you know, doing all that, because you want to be studying your stats and your analytics. This is how you get to that next level, guys. So I explain all of this in my course. You know, if you really want to, you know, take your game to the next level and really know how to, you know, run ads, how to run proper ads, and studying each you know, event and what's, you know, what's so important in knowing all these things, right? You can actually get into my course. It's $37. It's the best deal you're ever going to get. Okay, so don't take it for granted. So I hope this kind of helped you guys, you know, understand that, you know, Facebook pixel is so important. And you know, there's so many things you can do with the events and adding custom conversions and lookalike audiences. You just have to implement all these things so that you can be successful and get to that next level. So if you want to get into the course, I actually teach all of this in my course and more. You know, if you want to run proper ads, if you want to get, you know, the proper conversions and add to carts and view content and all that, we go deep into detail with all of this. So if you really want to get into the course is still at $37. This is the best deal you can ever get, guys. So all you have to do is just click the link in the description, or hit me up on Instagram, or you can email me on my website. So at the end of the day, your boy is still here. Peace out.